I am a director of product engineering with Synopsys. I lead about 6 products out of the India site, and I'm also responsible for various customer engagements who are based in India and some of the South Asia regions. It's a fairly global role, so I end up also working a lot with my co-teams or co-partners across the other geos, as it's a global company. I got an opportunity to work as a tech lead, and soon after, in about 7 years, I took up a management role. My first manager role, however, of course, was leading a small set of team. I was still doing a lot of technical work hands-on, but also responsible for managing people. And I think that's when I realized that it is coming to me fairly naturally. So that was one of the strengths I wished or I wanted to continue building or playing on. So after that, all of my roles and positions and opportunities that came for me in Intel were always on a managerial path. You know, management is an art, right? It is personal to everybody that you work with. There is no one solution that's going to work for all of you. And along the way, came IPL. It was sort of a conscious effort. In fact, an interesting story where when I started to feel a little bit more inclined to product as a domain, I reached out to somebody in the company saying like, hey, this job I think I want to explore this. And they said, oh, but we're looking for somebody with a product management background. And I think that's when it hit me. I came back, I started looking up, which are the good product management schools, and IPL came right there. So that was sort of my stepping stone into a more conscious effort to navigate my career in a more product kind of space. And back in the day, product management as an integrated course was not too much. There were a lot of, smaller courses or side courses, but I figured that if for somebody who's trying to make a transition from an engineering into the space, it needs a more involved effort and time. What really struck me about product management at IPL was the tagline that they were using, experiential learning, or, learning by doing. And I think that is the best form of learning. Yes, you can read all the books you want, you can attend as many classes, but what you learn from what you do, it just helps you, take things to the next level. So that was one of my things. The other thing was when I was attending some of the pre-sessions, right? The other important aspect was the professors who were going to conduct these classes or sessions were all from the industry. So they knew exactly what the industry wants, and they will be able to connect the dots for you appropriately. So that was sort of my second, check thing. And, the other aspects in terms of how the program is paced out, and a lot of topics that they were covering, everything from value proposition to understanding UX to marketing to finance. And we were told, that we will actually get a chance to work on a light idea or a product. So these were the 3 things that really stood out for me. So I think, starting with the program, coming back to a classroom itself, felt very different. I had an extremely energetic cohort, and we would have a lot of fun. I think to the point that we have probably harrowed some professors, by the amount of chaos or sheer questions that the class would have. And again, right, it was all good questions, a lot of energy, and a lot of learning was happening along the way, right? I mean, sometimes we would also wonder that, okay, are we all in our 30s, right? Because we would often behave like kids. So I think that was definitely, we've had our share of fun parties, right? It's okay to unlearn to learn something new, and that's when you get much more than what you've come with, right? So I think that is definitely important. And I think the other thing is perseverance, right? No matter what you do, be it a product management or anything outside, having that perseverance to get through it and still continue to choose to the goal. My journey was a more gradual transition into a product space from a pure engineering space. A lot of what I do, while it is still technical and still engineering, but I now have a perspective and handle on how product works, how they are developed, right? The engagement with product marketing, product management, right? Everything is now starting to fall in place. But it took a while to get to it, right? But stay focused, stay motivated, build your network, and continue the learning. Whatever you're learning every day, apply it back to your job. That's how you will stand out amongst. It's a competitive space, and it's not easy.